how to update Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how we can update our Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you know that if you want to update some apps, you go to your Google Play Store. But what if you want to update your Google Play Store itself? Well, there is no such option over here. So what we need to do to update our Google Play Store is open up Google Play Store, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen here, and then you want to just go to the option known as settings. Once you go to settings, if you look here, you can see about section. Tap on about, and under it you can see Play Store version, where under it again you'll find the option to update your Play Store. So you can tap on update Play Store option here. Make sure to update it. If there's a request an update, it will say it will get automatically updated, or else you can see in my case it's already up to date. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then update Play Store. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.